Right, so I'm going to show you now how we can use drill through functionality in Power BI. This is really useful when we have hierarchies in our data. So I'm going to show you an example here. If I just add just a basic visualization for the time being, what I'll do, I've got a date field. If I add that onto my axis, and I'll drag sales amount onto the values. Okay, so we're looking at something like that. Well, basically, what we've got here is notice we've got year, quarter, month, day, and so you'll see there's an option here in the corner of the visualization to turn on drill down. If I click that, what it basically means is I can click in, into a particular month and go right down to the day. That's really useful. And then we've got icons over here to drill back up. So I can go back up. Now without this option selected, I can still say drill down, drill down to the next level. But you just have to use the icons. I like it when it's switched on so the user can actually click, on a particular bar and drill down. Yeah, that's the lowest level. It's a really nice feature. So what we need to do is we need to make sure the date is basically selected the date hierarchy there. That's the key thing for that. But if you want to try and replicate this, give it a go. But I'm going to attach this drill through dashboard file into the resources so you can have a look at this, with this particular data model in place. So have a go at that. Yeah, and so this doesn't just work with dates. I've got some other hierarchical data in this data set. And notice if I widen this up, we've basically got product category and then product subcategory. So there's a hierarchy of products there. So for instance, let's add another visualization. Just this one. And then I'll pick product category and then product subcategory. I'll add both of those to the axis. And then if I bring in sales amount, onto the values. Yeah, and so if I activate drill through, so now if I double click on bikes, there we go. So mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes. Let's go into touring bikes. Well, that's the lowest level, isn't it? That's the subcategory. So if I go back up, let's go into clothing. If we can click that, there we go. So caps, gloves, jerseys. Really powerful feature. Another level of user interactivity. So yeah, I hope you've actually enjoyed that one. This is one of my favourite features of Power BI. Okay, give it a play. And if you can't get it to work, use this file. Download it from the resources.